Hi everyone, Damsels and DIY here. Kind of. Harmony's really sleepy because the other day she got baby kittens! Baby kittens! This one is Willow, this one is Sitka, and we are so excited for them to join the family. They're so cute and little, and look at them. Oh my gosh, we had to show them off to you because, come on, they're kittens. And they're wonderful. The reason why she's so sleepy is they kept her up all night with their playing, but they're bringing so much happiness to the home because they're so wonderful. So we just wanted you to check out these clips and just show off how adorable they are. Because of these kitten cuties, we will have some cat tutorials coming up. That was a lot of alliteration, totally unintentional, but it works. We're so excited to make them different beds, different toys, and lots of different stuff to make their lives wonderful and happy because they're making ours even more wonderful and happy. Stay tuned for cute kitten shenanigans and crafts and more DIY tutorials. We're so glad for you to meet these two, and we have another person joining the channel soon. Her name is Karmen, and we're so excited to have her. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Yes, we will. Oh, okay, her butt just flew up. Her butt just flew up. Oh, is that your butt? She's like, no, that's my butt. Oh, the other one fell asleep.